To the owners of Shiba Inu, pay heed. The start of alt season has arrived, according to Coinbase, which has shown that about $7 trillion is moving away from Bitcoin and into altcoins like shib. At the same time, the fact that Bybit has about $3 trillion worth of shib tokens shows that there is a lot of demand, as shown by their proof of reserves. Could the recent attention Shiba Inu has received from Coinbase and Bybit be the catalyst that finally pushes shib over the 1 mark? Watching this video is mandatory watching for everyone with shib tokens or even a passing interest in Shiba Inu. How is the latest information regarding Shiba Inu coin? How will this affect the cost of a Shiba Inu? In this video, I'll answer all of your questions and give you the lowdown on the latest information about Shiba Inu that will boost their value. Please watch the video from beginning to end so you don't miss any of the information I gathered for it. Your daily dose of Shiba, wealthy coins, is here. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Click the like button to receive more shib news. We may look at the table to see how much Shiba will cost on September 26th before we tackle our problem. Okay, approximately 11.83 units are being sold at the moment as Shiba Inu. In the past 24 hours, there has been a 0.7% gain in the price of shib with a trading volume of 229 million. The token's market worth has surpassed 6.9 billion, making it the 29th most valuable cryptocurrency. Some prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, so please be aware of that. Financial advice is not provided by this material. Now, let's begin with the video for today. As altcoins like SHIB, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano gain traction, Coinbase predicts that alt season will soon be among us. The relocation of $7 trillion in capital. Renowned cryptocurrency trading platform, the monthly outlook report from Coinbase highlights the fact that Bitcoin's market dominance dropped from 65.0% in May 2025 to 59% in August. According to the company, altcoin season has begun as CoinMarketCap's altcoin period index has fallen below the 75 mark. Coinbase found that institutional investors are showing more interest in Ethereum, which is supported by the rising demand for digital asset reserves and a fascination with stablecoins and physical assets, as well as the widening gap between the altcoin season index and the total altcoin market capitalization. Coinbase has revised its views on the altcoin season, but it still has an optimistic outlook. Instead of a whole altcoin season, the company attributes Bitcoin's fall from grace to an early capital transfer into altcoins like as Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Shiba Inu. Driven by macroeconomic drivers and anticipated regulatory developments, the business maintains an optimistic outlook. The research suggests that the altcoin period index is showing initial positive trends, and the altcoin sector capitalization is on the rise. This, along with other factors, suggests that we may be entering a more developed altcoin season by the end of September. There has been much talk about how the market could react to cuts from the Federal Reserve, which could cause the cryptocurrency market to reach a temporary peak in September. According to Coinbase, easing from the Fed might actually boost retail engagement in the medium run. The research shows that the large amount of retail capital, more than $7 trillion, currently invested in money market funds abroad is the driving force behind this stance. Please, if you are still here, take a moment to show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Not only does it help fund the channel, but it also doesn't cost anything. Keep reading to find out what the latest news has to say about Shiba Inu and where the token could go from here. Getting shib is one good reason. Meme coins are believed to be worthless investments in the cryptocurrency speculation world. The Shiba Inu meme currency may appear like a little dog. Behind its cute exterior is a digital asset with serious potential, meaning that the valuation remains low. The Shibarium mechanism is the main reason why you should invest in this coin, in my opinion. Shiba Inu is built on the Ethereum blockchain, which is already operating, making it a Layer 2 digital currency. There are more than 589 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, which means their value is essentially zero. Being easily accessible is a major plus. Plus, it doesn't cause a huge loss even if the price drops. Its blockchain enables many cryptocurrency characteristics via smart contracts, which is the main advantage of interacting with Ethereum. Shibarium, developed by the Shiba Inu team, is a Layer 2 blockchain technology that improves upon previous efforts in this area and allows for faster, more secure token transactions. And that's only the start. Shibarium is a development platform that allows third-party developers to build games, extra features, and other apps to boost the value of the blockchain and the token by attracting users. Consistent growth and expansion have characterized Shibarium since its inception 2 years ago. At the moment, users can engage in financial engineering through several decentralized exchanges, save their Bitcoin in the appropriately named Zipto, Shibarium wallet, and create their own projects with the help of the Dogpad software. The practicality of a coin is the determining factor in its value, with the Shiba Inu team working tirelessly to build Shibarium into a platform that will be more and more useful. The price of the token is projected to rise over time. The meat of today's video is about to begin. Bybit, a reserve indicator, points to Shiba Inu assets worth billions. According to Bit's most recent proof of reserves, the platform's Shiba Inu assets are massive, almost 3 trillion taupins or 243,549,27720 Shiba are in Bybit's control. With the inclusion of numerous blockchains and detailed balance information, this is the 25th audit of Bybit. Shib, which started with millions of tokens but has since grown to trillions, is now larger and more visible than most other assets on the network. The update monitored the price changes of several major cryptocurrencies, not only Shiba Inu. Total number of Bitcoins increased by 5.61% to 58,954, which is an increase of over 100 tokens from the end of July. With the addition of nearly 37,000 coins, imbalances surged 69% to 631 ETH. Having said that, not every asset behaved in the same way, with the withdrawal of about 242 million USDT. The exchange's reserves fell 4.75% to 4.85 billion. The differences in demand throughout the site's assets are highlighted by the changes. The distribution of SHIB's holdings throughout the several exchange accounts. The current announcement by Bybit emphasizes the immense significance of Shiba Inu in the cryptocurrency business. The incineration of almost 41% of the supply at the burn site removes almost $5 billion in value. At the same time, major cryptocurrency exchanges own trillions of SHIB, including Coinbase, Binance, Upbit, Robinhood, and Crypto.com. Their large cash reserves prove that there are financiers on centralized platforms and that they have access to liquidity. Observations like this show that SHIB is still very much alive and well after its 2021 peak. On the contrary, the coin has established itself as an everlasting part of currency reserves. Given its size, it is clearly not a tiny fish in a big pond, but rather a fish of considerable size in a large pond. Shiba Inu is still very much involved in the Bitcoin industry, according to the Bybit audit. With an extensive record of trillions of tokens and strong presence on key exchanges, SHIB continues to show endurance alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum, retaining its position as the leading meme currency built on Ethereum. For the next 5 years, a large portion of our subscriber base has pledged not to sell SHIB, holding a substantial amount of tokens because they have faith in the inventors of the Shiba Inu and the real value of SHIB. Could you please tell me how much you have on hand? In the space provided below, please list all of your SHIB assets. Please join me in praising the SHIB owner for having trust and confidence in this procedure. Vote for the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us what you think about the Shiba Inu token if you enjoyed it. To receive notifications every time a new video is released, make sure that post notifications are enabled.